Hey, federal employees, please pause that scroll for 90 seconds because the NIH just gave us a masterclass in what not to do with your career. I'm Shaun, a federal sector attorney and wannabe watchdog, and here is the tea. So NIH's brand new chief operating officer, Eric Schnabel, was literally walked out of a headquarters building a few days ago after investigators learned a $3.3 million contract went to a tiny Louisiana firm that, surprise, listed his own spouse on the staff roster. So why is this such a big deal? Well, because Uncle Sam's anti-nepotism law, 5 U.S.C. 3110, slams the door on any public official who appoints or advocates for a relative inside their chain of command. Offenders can face firing, discipline, even criminal exposure under conflict of interest statutes. Now zoom out. Since January, NIH has yanked about $1.8 billion in grants and pink slipped about 1,200 workers, I think that's the total, under the Trump administration's cuts, including what insiders know are cores who could help stop fraud, waste, and abuse. Morale, think Titanic, meet iceberg. So here's what you in the cubicle at FDA, VA, or Social Security need to know right now. First, if you witness nepotism, bid rigging, or any shady personnel move, document everything. Screenshots, emails, calendar invites, timestamp it all. Evidence is king. Second, you're protected when you blow the whistle, but this might be complicated. So 5 U.S.C. 2302b8 forbids reprisal, and the U.S. Office of Special Counsel is your confidential hotline. They exist to shield you from the very retaliation you're afraid of. You might want to contact an attorney, though. 3, probationary doesn't mean powerless. Recent federal judges have slapped agencies for illegal mass firing of probies. If you were swept up in a reduction of force without proper notice of due process, you may have had an MSPB appeal. 4, contracts smell fishy. Check the Federal Acquisition Regulation Subpart 3.1. There's a duty to report conflicts. Failing to do so could nuke a career faster than a TikTok trend. So what's your play? Well, I'd consider speaking up early, filing disclosure smartly, and lawyer up with someone who speaks federal if you're concerned about that. That's literally my day job, and our DMs are open. Again, this is exactly why we need strong civil service protection. Please follow us for legal ammo to safeguard your paycheck and your mission. Share this with a colleague who keeps snacks in their bottom drawer. They probably need it. We'll see you on the high ground. Again, don't rely on the algorithm to see our latest updates. If you want to stay updated with us, the one and only best way to do it is to get on our free daily newsletter, because we provide links to all of our content every day. It comes to your email. You can't miss it. Go to fedlegalhelp.com/newsletter. I think we're at about 3,200 people receiving that every day, Monday through Friday. So I think you might want to check that out. Thank you, everybody, for your time. Hope you have a great day.